Are you tired of manually syncing Airtable dates to Google Calendar and missing critical events? Automate your schedule effortlessly. Connect Airtable with Google Calendar for a perfectly integrated workflow, saving you hours. First, we'll configure your Airtable calendar view and copy its feed link. Then we'll add that link to Google Calendar for instant automated syncing. This simple setup will transform how you manage your schedule. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is head over to Airtable. So open up your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. This is where all your important date records are stored. Once you're on the Airtable site, go ahead and sign into your Airtable account. You'll need to log in to access your bases and the data we're looking to share. Just enter your credentials like you normally would. With that done, it's time to open the specific base that contains all those date records you want to see in Google Calendar. Take a moment to locate the right base and click to open it up. This ensures we're working with the correct information. Now, we need to make sure your dates are in a calendar-friendly format. So create or open a calendar view if you don't already have one in this base. This view is super helpful because it visualizes your dates on a calendar, making them perfect for sharing. You'll want to ensure it's set up to display the correct date fields. Once your calendar view is looking good, we need to tell Airtable we want to share it. Look for the Share button, or sometimes it's under specific calendar sharing options, usually located near the view's name. Give that a click. This is the really important part. We need to copy the calendar feed, specifically the ICS link. This link is the direct, live pipeline from your Airtable view to Google Calendar. In the sharing options, find the section that mentions Calendar Feed, or iCal link, and copy that URL. This precise step is key to making this integration work flawlessly, a method I've used countless times for seamless syncing. With our Airtable link in hand, let's switch gears. Go ahead and open up Google Calendar in your web browser. This is where your Airtable events will soon magically appear. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a section called Other Calendars. Find the plus sign right next to it and click that plus icon. This is our gateway to adding new calendars. From the options that pop up, select From URL. We're adding a calendar using that specific web address we just copied, rather than importing a file. And here it is. Paste the Airtable calendar link you copied earlier into the field provided. This is the moment we connect the two platforms. Finally, click Add Calendar. This confirms that you want to bring your Airtable events into Google Calendar. Now, you might need to wait just a moment for Airtable events to appear in Google Calendar. Don't worry if they don't show up instantly. Google Calendar needs a little time to fetch and display all that data for the first time. Once it does, though, your Airtable events will populate your Google Calendar and keep syncing automatically. And there you have it. From manually updating fragmented calendars to an automated, always synced Google Calendar that reflects all your Airtable events, you've just streamlined your scheduling and boosted your organization. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more tech tips.